Euro day trading recap on September 7th. This is the 15-minute chart. After the London Open, it tries to go up here, but slowly going down. So we can see that this part of the market is very slow, and then there are a lot of overlaps. This means the weakness of the market. What we are waiting is market to break to either upside or downside, so it could probably develop into a trend. Second, we can also notice overnight there is a low here. So after the market goes down to test this previous low, you can see that this level serves as a value zone, as a support. So we're expecting the market can go back up to the upside. In the New York trading hour, we can see there is a trendline break. So when the market is slowly going down, you can see it follows this trend line. And then the market breaks the trend line to the upside here. Another thing you notice is previously we have a major high, even though the market is not very clear here. However, this high is breaking the previous major high. So this is strong breakout. Another thing you notice is these two consecutive bull bars. They're very strong. Also means the strength of the market. So at this point of time, we have first the value zone as a support. We have a trendline break, and then the break is very strong. So there's a high probability the market will go up. Then the market pulls back. We wait for a good signal bar. This bull bar can serve as a very good signal bar because the body accounts likely 60% of the whole candlestick. It's a very good trend bar. We can enter at the top of this bull bar to go to the upside. If you're taking the scalp, either 1 or 2 times of your risk or between, so you're gonna make the profit for this leg. After you scalp for your profit, if you have a strategy to swing, you want to wait until the end of the market. You can see a very good profit target is this previous day's high here. You don't want to go higher than that because the market could simply not reach it. So this is a good time for you to take the profit. And another thing you should notice is around this area. It's already in the close of the London time and at noon of New York time. Whether you want to continue holding your position really depends on your study of the historical chart. Normally, in the afternoon of New York time, the market is very slow. There are not many trends waiting for you. However, if you're a trader to trade for the whole day, what you can do is here. When you see this big leg up here, it's very strong. And you want to wait for the pullback and then trade for the third leg up. So you can see that this is also a very good signal bar, this trend bar. So you can enter at the top of here to either add up your position, or if you don't have a position, you can scalp a quick profit using this bar because you're not quite sure whether the market will go very far to the upside. But for beginner day trader, you need to take this opportunity to go up. This is a trendline break. And then you want to scalp for a quick profit.